It was the purpose.
Dude, come here. Look, it's fucking in.
You're way too happy about that.
Have you heard it? It's a trumpet. It's a
It's okay to catch up. We've been at King's Beach. King's Beach Tavern? King's Beach Tavern.
Yep.
And now we're going on that Ferris wheel.
I'm a big tipper.
Creaking and moaning. It's really scary.
No. Yeah, look. Alright. That's it. Well, try and hold it in.
I'll try.
No intercourse on this bad boy. Oh, you won't do it. It's actually really bad. Whoa!
Now you're scared.
Nah, fuck it! We gotta be normal.
Yeah.
I feel like Steve's missing out.
Yeah.
I don't feel safe at all.
Once we stood up, I just was way not allowed to stand up.
Yeah,
It doesn't seem fair, you swung us.
look at this. What happened if they decided never to stop us? I feel like...
Can you not say that? Can you not say that?
Wait, look now. I feel like that I should do a handstand.
No.
Oh!
Oh, man, it won't stop swinging.
He did this. He did this on purpose.
Yeah, no one else is on it.
I know. Fuck man, I'm done. They know it's right. It's very disturbing. I'm over going around. When do we get off?
This is a never-ending ride.
That'd be horrible. What? It's only a circuit.
Slipping this night, I can swim in it all night.
Try to say it. That was the best saying I've ever heard.
Make sure you come back and ride the giant fucking.
What do you think of that experience? Is that the giant fucking wheel? The ride of my life.
I can't believe you made him say it.
So angry.
And that's Friday night.
How you going, buddy?
Wait, it's not a walkthrough. He's a meat tray winner.
That was so delicate.
You're a ninja.
Yeah!
I want a meat tray.
I swear I'm
There is 3 bits of bacon on there. Big bacon. Did I give him the good line? Yep.
Yep.
Good one?
Oh, that.
Oh my god! That's good hot! The line was underneath his face.
Get him away. I got the shot.
There you go. Where you
Jamin's been up to his tricks again.
Shot town, baby.